Hi guys, Mommy Ann and the Wilsons on the go, and today we will be unboxing the gifts that we have. Actually, the gift cards that I bought something from. To start off, I am so excited. Again, if you are interested to be looking at makeup and all that stuff, please stay until the end and let's see what we got. Alright, so last Christmas, we got some gift cards from friends and families, and one of the gift cards is I think a $50 Visa card. So what I did, since I said I really am so excited to get brushes, because I have a couple of brushes. See that? Yeah, but it's all like Ipsies and other stuff and different kinds. And I really want to get more brushes, so this is what I did. I heard a lot of YouTubers, makeup YouTubers, using Morphe. So what I did is I said, you know what? I'm gonna get makeup brushes from Morphe. So let's see. All right, here it is. And they also have their 50% off makeup. Let's take a look at that one too. Oh, I have 3, 4, and 5. So all that's in this box is a makeup kit from Morphe. That's it. So we might try that on later, or tonight, or tomorrow. Let's start off on the more exciting one. So this is very cheap, guys. So I know I have a gift card of like $50, but I only spent $64 with all of these. I have like 4 sets of makeup and the brush. The brush itself was supposed to be like almost $100, but it was on sale for like 50% off. So let's see. This is kind of exciting. I've never bought a brush that's like 100% from a company or something, but this one is from Morphe. Look, look, look! I'm so excited. I could actually like bring this along with me. Oh, and the smell of it, it has the leather type. Oh my gosh, this is so worth it. I should have bought more. I like that. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 brushes. And that is only $18. $18! Each of these brushes should be just like $1, and it feels so smooth. Let's check this one out, guys. I think this one is for... Ooh, feel that. OMG. It feels so good. Yeah. And I'm not gonna take that off, that one. And that's the biggest one. And I know I have this one also, but let's take a look at that. Feels so smooth. Yeah, let's brush that. What do you think? Ooh. So that's the last brush in there. It's so worth it, man. I should have bought more of these. Yeah, we'll take all of that out later. Right now, I'm happy with that purchase. That is so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we'll close it like that. And yeah, so that's for our Morphe unboxing. Yes, we'll review this some other time, but for now we're just opening it. So I have this one. I love the Jaclyn Hill palette of Morphe. So this one is the just Morphe. I don't know the names, guys, but this was on sale. You know, I'm not gonna buy if it's not on sale. Ooh, this one, it is the black one. My favorite one is the white one from Jaclyn Hill. So let's see. I know this one is more so like the palettes are supposed to be. I hope it's not broken. More of a tan and all that. Whoa! Did you see that? It's more of that tan, gold. Love it, love it, love it. So this one is just Molten Magic, wasn't it? Molten Magic, $17. So that's it. If we open that one up, it's filled with a lot of browns and golds. Let's try this one. Did you see that? Did you see that, guys? Ooh. And then maybe this one. Ah! Look at that! Cool, right? Now blend them together. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, let's see. Let's see when we can use this one. So I'm happy with that. That's a big palette. Another big palette of mine for $17. Pretty. Happy, happy, happy. So we'll put this back. I love putting them back in the box. It feels new when they are still inside a box. Alright. And I have the little ones. Now, I don't know if I'm going to give out the little ones or I'll have to keep it for myself. Look at the colors. So pretty. This one is the Morphe Social Butterfly. Social Butterfly is $7. Oh my gosh. This is just for $7, you guys. Oh no. Look at this. I should have bought more and give it as a gift. Did you see that? $7. Whoa! Look at all the colors. Let's try that. Let's swatch. This one's so pretty. So pretty. Let's try that. Wow! Did you see that, guys? It's so pretty. The besties are so pretty. This is the color of my hair lately. I don't know if you can still see it there. Purple. OMG. Infamous. Now trending. I love this. I love this. I love this. Oh, like that. That's the butterfly. But I still have to put that in a box. I love it. And the next one is... Oh, look at all the greens. The next one is Artsy Palette. Artsy Palette is $7. $7. $7. Oh, let's see. Oh no, $7. $7 for this, guys. $7. And it's very pretty. You ready? Oh, see all them colors? OMG! I'm done. I'm not buying anything. So let's try the orange one. Let's see which finger doesn't have anything. And let's try that here. Whoa, did you see all that? See the color? Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. So, let's see. I'll try this on some other time. That's it. I should be done with all the palettes, man. It's a lot already. And the last one is 12-piece lip topper collection. I didn't get the top lipper collection. $17. Molten Magic 12-piece lip top. I don't remember buying this. I really don't remember buying this, but let's see what it is. OMG! 12 lipsticks! Did you see that? 12 lipsticks! Oh! We'll swatch this some other time, but this is just for the unboxing purposes. OMG! This is so pretty! Oh, did you see all of that? Oh my gosh! Now I remember this. Another one. Let's take a look. What color? These ones. Oh, all shimmery, shiny, bright. Cool, isn't it? Oh, we'll swatch this some other time. But this is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, made in Australia? Made in China, distributed Australia. Wow. Cool, guys. So I have 12 of those inside this one, and it's only $17. So it's more like $1 each. Look at all my swatches. I'm gonna swatch all of this at one time, but for now, I am happy with my $46 with a set of brushes, 12 lip gloss lipstick, and two palettes of two little palettes and big palettes of Morphe eyeshadows. So that's it for now. I'm happy with my $64. Let's swatch that some other time. Bye.